Today's drink will make you rise to the burn and also improve digestion. Its components are only 5. And this is a video for every house from the video series of drinks who will rise with you to burn. If you want to lose weight in a short period of time with high health, today's drink is a cucumber drink, lemon and arugula. And there is a magic component that we will put with it. It is the one who will rise with us the burning and envious digestion. It also increases the nutritional value of the drink. Let's talk about his ingredients and how do we do it at home. What benefit can you take when you take this drink? Let's get into it. And we know what will benefit us from this drink. First, need lemon. Lemon contains vitamin, anti-laxata, very strong. It also helps us feel full for long periods of time. As for the rest of the cucumber, it helps to hydrate the body well, strong. It also protects it from drought because it has a very high percentage of water. It also promotes bone health. It also strengthens the bone. Why? Because there is enough vitamin and calcium. Greens reduce the incidence of colorectal cancer. It also promotes heart and blood vessel health. It plays a good role in controlling sugar levels. For diabetics, it has anti-inflammatory properties. Come on, we know the fruits of arugula. The first thing is to boost the immune system. He has a very good percentage of vitamin. It is almost a larger percentage of what is found in oranges. It strengthens the body, sweetens its immunity and protects it from any infection. It also helps in the formation of cells, white blood cells, and boosts the immune system. Arugula also contains calcium, phosphorus and magnesium. This means that it will make my bones very strong. Why is it a role too? In heart health and blood pressure, because arugula helps it lower the high pressure, so it protects you from clots. And in vitamin K and vitamin C. Vitamins D are very important for cardiovascular health. The benefits of ginger that it promotes digestion. It also reduces the risk of diseases related to old age. It reduces water retention in the body. It also maintains metabolic strength. Now we knew the importance of each ingredient in this drink. Come on, we know how we will do it. It is so easy. The water is considered to be making detox. Detox is full of useful and nutritious needs. Drink it throughout the day. It doesn't hurt me, on the contrary. And it doesn't hurt my stomach. There is also no harm from it to anyone. Let's know what we will do in a very easy way. Prepare your water and we will put in it the rest of the ingredients. Cut cucumber slices, ginger slices, and lemon slices. And you also know how to add arugula, but what is it? Hit it in your mini blender or the blender and add it to the water. And it's ready to drink. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next health tip. Bye.